Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Now we discuss about the product FeatureMatch General ANNF Estimation Technique and its applications. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. In this paper we propose FeatureMatch, a general approximate nearest neighbor field computation framework between a source and target image. The proposed abstract can be estimate ANNF maps between an image pairs are not successfully related. This generalization is achieved through the approximate spatial range transforms to compute ANNF matching approximation spatial range and transforms is applied as a range transform on the source image. Image patches from the pair of image are approximated using two low dimensional features which are used along with the KD tree to estimate the ANNF map. This ANNF map is further improved based on image coherency and spatial transforms. This proposed generalization enables us to handle a wider range of vision applications which have not been tracked using the ANNF framework. We illustrate two such applications mainly. First thing is optic disc recognition detection and super resolution. The first application deals with the medical imaging where we locate optic disc in retinal image using the healthy optic disc images as common target images. The second application deals with the super resolution of synthetic images using a common source image as directory. We make use of ANNF mapping in both these applications and show experimentally that our proposed approaches are faster and accurate compared with the state-of-art of techniques. Now we discuss the block diagram for this process. At first the input images was two. First one is the source image and the second one is the target image. After getting these two images, source image and target image, we have gone for the process pre-processing. After the pre-processing, in the pre-processing steps there are one major categories which is the filtering. The filtering is the process of removing noise from the image. By the filtering, we use the Gaussian filter method for the filtering process. After the pre-processing, the color histogram feature is extracted from the image. After the color histogram feature extracted from the image, the coherence feature which is extracted from the pre-processed image. From the coherence feature extracted from the image is input to the ANNF performance. In the ANNF performance, we have to consider the four things called image editing, image completion, image reshuffling and the image regrading. After the ANNF performance, we have extract the feature from the image using the surf feature extraction. Using this surf feature extraction, we have taken several features from the image. From that feature, we have to matching the image, that is the source image and target image using the feature matching method. By the features, we have matching these two images and the matched images are plotted as an box format or the plotted as an point. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first, select the main.m file and right click in that file, then select the third option, run. Now the initial GUI window was opened. In that you can see the several buttons. These are known as the push buttons. Then these two axes are represented as an axis. Then these two tables are represented as an UI table 1 and the UI table 2. Now click the button input image 1. After clicking the button input image 1, you can see the folder at the name of dataset. Select any one image from the dataset and then click the button Input Image 2. Then again select the another image from the dataset. Now the first image are located in the axis 1 with the title Input Image 1 and the second image are located in the axis 2 with the title Input Image 2. Then click the button Pre-processing. After clicking the button Pre-processing, the filtered image are shown in the axis 1 and the axis 2 with the title Filtered Image 1 and the Filtered Image 2. The filtering is used by the Gaussian filter method. Then click the button Image Resize. After clicking the button Image Resize, the resized image 1 is shown in the axis 1 and the resized image 2 is shown in the axis 2. The both are resized in the rows and columns of 256 and 256. The 256 and 256 represent the length and width of the image. Then click the button Color Histogram. After clicking the button Color Histogram, the histogram value of the first image and the second image are plotted as a graph format in the axis 1 and the axis 2 with the title Histogram of Image 1 and the Histogram of Image 2. Then click the button Coherent Feature. After clicking the button Coherent Feature, now the coherence feature which is extracted from the image is shown in the axis 1, the UI table 1 and the UI table 2. After extracting the coherent feature from the image, we have extract the surf feature from the image. Now click the button Surf Feature. After clicking the surf feature, the finding corners and the neighborhood operation is done. After finding the neighborhood operations, the feature extracted by the surf feature is placed in the UI table 1 and the UI table 2. Then click the button Matching. After clicking the button Matching, according to the feature extracted from the image, the matching point are plotted as an box format, that is the bounding box format. Then click the button Graph. Now the graph for the existing and the proposed are shown as the bar chart format. The first one represents the proposed technique and the second one represents the existing technique. These two are the accuracy values of the proposed and the existing.